Parah banget.
Akhirnya bertemu lengkap ya. Kurang satu, Gimu mana Gimu? Manajerku yang jompo ternyata festivalan juga. Bakso Malang lagi.
Cemilan yang sangat enak.
Parah.
Siapkan kuda-kuda, Pak. Kita ini insan sepilu yang dulu tidaklah mau hidup. Thank you, Singola.
Thank you. Soalan kiri. Karino Vilda. Apa lagi bartender ramai merah? Barang. Muat ding. Enggak ding, enggak muat. Itu di bawah. Ya, tidak muat. Mau dipisah apa dicampur sama es?
Dipisah aja.
Mana pacarnya tuh? Pacarnya ada. Ayo, Mas Anayaka, Mas Nayaka, Mas Al, Mas Nayaka memimpin, Mas Al memimpin. Aduh, Mas Nayaka menang. Udah, nanti capek. Nanti pulang, nanti capek.
Beriringan melangkah hanya dan rapi diam jejaknya.
Dinda dan Gurau di lapak orang.
Yang penting bisa ngadem, bisa duduk. Alhamdulillah.
Pagi-pagi, aduh, bukan pagi-pagi ding, siang-siang. Suara gue udah hilang nih. What? Nyokap gue masakin rendang, bro, sama ayam rica-rica. Oh my god, thank you, mom. Ini by the way kalian bisa pesan di sini nih. Tuh, kalau butuh catering atau mau nyobain masakan emak gue. Sana nih Bangkok. Apa nih? Kita hitam dulu. Ini di satu di sini, satu di sini. Oke. Parah anjir. Gue sampai jam 6 aja sih hari ini. Dapat kita nggak telat.
Sitting by the door and ready to explore the feelings I have when you pass that store. Watch you look older, sitting down with cigarettes of us. Cigarettes of us. Take it easy for a little while. You know that everything good so far. Our fragile. Take it easy for a little while. You know that everything good so far. Our regiments and loves and cry. We suddenly turns into dogs and die. I say, lie to me, oh you crazy moon. I work from 9 to 5.
Gue 9 to 9 lagi.
To find you every day. I'm looking hard for 9 to 5. Been waiting for that promotion you said, but it's been years and I haven't subside. If I could be on the magazine next to Conan, but every time we'll be together, we'll be better in every way. But then I would go to be in all the space. But sometimes
Ini anak kecil. Ngapain ya anak kecil ya? Bentar-bentar gue lagi foto dulu.
Lagu saya berjudul Sebuah Musik. If you ever have a thought to leave me, do me a favor please, break my heart to the breeze. Don't leave us back home from our merry lane, 'cause the last thing I want is loving your
Ini pacar-pacar musisi tugasnya ini ya.
I'm sitting by the door and ready to explore the feelings I had